لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة النساء يا أيها الناس قد جاءكم برهان من ربكم وأنزلنا إليكم نورا مبينا. Translation: O mankind, surely there has come to you a conclusive proof from your Rabb, and we have sent down to you a beacon of light. In the previous ayahs, we studied that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned about the Christians who had made Prophet Isa alayhi salam the son of God, na'uzubillah, and they had made these things only by their zan, meaning only by their thoughts and thinking. There is no clear evidence of that. There is no clear statement in the book of Allah about that, or any statement about this in any of the books of Revelation. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have mentioned that those people who disdain to be the slave of Allah are actually arrogant, and because of their arrogance they will be put in the hellfire. On the other hand, those people who have the belief and who do the good deeds, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have promised them the paradise, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is happy with them. And in today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is addressing, O mankind, Ya ayyuhan nas, meaning that this ayah is addressing the whole humanity, including the polytheists of Mecca and the world, and including the people of the book, whether they are Christians or Jews or any other religion or people with no religion. All are addressed in this ayah, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that, O people, O mankind, there has come to you a conclusive proof from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is the Burhan. This is a bayan, very clear, without any doubt. This book has come which has clear guidance for the mankind, and this has abolished all the darknesses of the ignorance, and it has brought a bright light. Now, after Quran, if somebody chooses to stay in darkness, the blame is on him only. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sent this bright light, this book of guidance, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's hujjat, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's his reasoning has been completed, and there is no reason that somebody can say in hereafter that, oh Allah, we did not even get your message. Oh Allah, we did not even know what was the right path and what was the wrong path. Now this excuse has become a lame excuse after the revelation of Quran, and nobody can make this excuse. Now let's pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that, oh Allah, make us among those fortunate people who have the iman, belief, and who do the good deeds, and they have your pleasure, oh Allah. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.